Most of the time when these people be talking, I don't even hear them. They talk and they talk, but I do not hear shit when I'm near them. I swear to God that
Boy gave me the sheet, and I think I'm in a gold rain here. There's this guy called, like, I think he's Musketeer. Well, I was in a few battles with him, and he dropped like goals. I think he dropped like 750 goals total, but I wasn't recording. So sorry for that, I wasn't recording. So now he said he's dropping more goals. I said, why not record? So I'm recording now, and we're just gonna wait for him to drop goals. Okay, so all of us are here at the top. We're at the top. We're obviously waiting for him to drop. I don't know what he's doing. That's him right here with the dictator. Yeah, Musketeer 3. Okay, he dropped. Oh no, lag, really now? Wow, I land. But I don't think it's even done here. I really don't think it's done here. But I just lagged. Oh, it is down here. Just gotta push. Oh, come on. Okay, that was a fail. I'm kinda angry I didn't record the others because you could say he's legit. He says he's gonna drop, he is gonna drop. So I think it's gonna meet my partner. Well, I guess that lag actually did good for me, except that I didn't get it. Oh, so I guess he's just dropping like one, and then next map. Okay guys, so we're in this map factory. I'm not sure what is this, but I think it's a gold rain as well. But he didn't post it in the link in the chat, in the main chat. Someone else did, but it seems like he is in here, so I guess it will be. I hope it will be. So guys, as you can see, I'm playing with like the higher ranks. Sometimes you can say M4. I'm just waiting for this guy to drop gold. Okay, he dropped now. I'm just gonna go look for this gold. Really? It's like the recording is just messing up. Oh, I saw it. Right now, what would be good if I get a wasp and just climb. I'm gonna take my time and try to go. Oh no, I can't go. Okay, now I can go. I can't get up. Okay, I think it will be mine. I'm not sure. Yeah, I took the goal. I took. Today we're going to be doing like a special video. This guy, he has a goals, and he said he dropped me. So I said, well, no problem. We're just here in here. He dropped me 2. So guys, give this guy I put his name in the description. The description to go show this guy some love. You can go add him up on Tanki and stuff like that. Just show this guy some love. Subscribe to this guy. He's very awesome. Okay, so I'm ready. See, he got me going. This guy there has stopped. He just beat me goal. Literally there has stopped. guy, he just like real. Just so guys, go show you guys some love right now. Pause the video. So look at this. Just look at this. Go. Actually go. So I'm gonna open my like I was. Oh no, that was everything. I had to get it. Very good. Very good. So guys, this is a really good video. It's actually fun. My fun jumping goals for me. That's very good. Go right now. Just pause the video. Right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to me already, you are just go subscribe to me right now and subscribe to this. Oh my goodness. Please subscribe right now. So yeah, guys, game related note. All with a smiley face because this is my first ever video. It's my fan jumping both of me. So it's very special, guys. Very special. I love it. I love it. I gotta kill him. I gotta kill him. See how we my favorite is because it's M1. Anyways, guys, Gamer Dashi is out. For real, no, for real.